Hi guys, welcome back to MATHS ZILLA. So we are doing a chapter first in teacher of class 7th, and today we are going to cover the properties of multiplication of integers. So first property is closure under multiplication. Let a and b are two integers and their product is a cross b is also integer. Suppose I am taking two numbers a and b which are integers and their product will be also integer. For example, here I take minus 20 and minus 5. Their product is also integer, which is 100. Minus 15 and 17, answer is minus 255, which is also integer. So always remember, product of two integer is always integer. Second property is commutative of multiplication. So here a and b are also integer. A cross b is always equals to b cross a. For example, 3 and minus 4. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 4 and 3 is also minus 12. So this is right. So this is a commutative property of multiplication. Next property is multiplication by 0. So a here is an integer. So a cross 0 is also 0. 0 multiplying with a is also 0. So multiplying any integer with 0, the resultant will also be 0. Next part is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. If a is any integer, a cross 1 and 1 cross a, both are equals to a. So identity always mean 1. This means 1. 1. Alright. I am multiplying 1 with any integer. It will also give me integer. For example, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 1 into 5, 5, which is also integer. 3 into 1, 3. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. So, a is any integer. Multiplying a with identity means 1. Also, the resultant will also integer. Next property is associativity of multiplication. Here, suppose a and b and c are integers. A cross b into c, a into b cross c. So firstly I am multiplying a and b and then multiplying it with c. It's vice versa. If I am multiplying b and c and then I am multiplying the product of b, c with a, answer will be same. For example, I consider the integers minus 3, 7 and 15. So minus 3 into 7, that is minus 21. Minus 3 into 7 and 15. Minus 21 into 15, that is 315. So here what I did, minus 15 into 7. So firstly I multiplied 15 into 7, then I multiplied with it with minus 3 and result is minus 315. So answer is same. Next property is distributive property. So here in this case, suppose a, b and c are three integers. A cross b plus c, a cross b plus a cross c. So here I consider 2, minus 3 and 4. Firstly applying this on a left hand side. So 2 into minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Then applying this on a left hand side. 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. 2 into 4, that is 8. So minus 6 plus 8 is also 2. So this property is also true. Let's do some questions. So try these of page number 18. So here is 10 into 6 plus minus 2 is equals to 10 into 6 plus 10 into minus 2. So here we are using distributive property. So firstly we will solve this portion, means LHS, and then we will solve the RHS. So LHS is equals to 10 into 6 plus minus 2. So 10 into 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 into 4 is 40. Now taking a right hand side, which is 10 into 6 plus 10 into minus of 2. So 10 into 6 is 60. Minus 2 into 10 is minus 20. So it is 40. So yes, this is equals to this. Its next part, you will do this question as your homework and we will discuss it in the next video. Next question is 10 into 6 minus of minus 2 is equals to 10 into 6 minus 10 into minus 2. So now checking this property in case of minus, subtraction. We did a distributive property in case of addition. Now having a result in the subtraction also. So firstly I am taking LHS, 10 cross 6 minus minus of 2. So 6 minus minus plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 into 10 is 80. Now considering right hand side, 10 into 6, that is 60, minus minus plus 20, that is 80. So yes, this is also true. So do the next part of this question as your homework. So guys, thank you. We will do the try this of page number 19 in next video.